Welcome back as we next look at using inside calipers to make a transfer measurement. If you want to measure something like this key slot, or the diameter of this drilling, or the size of this square hole, then you'll need to take an inside measurement. Using a steel rule to try and get a direct reading would usually be difficult and would give an inaccurate result. The legs of an inside caliper curve outward and are designed to make contact with the inside surfaces of slots and bores. Using an inside caliper is much the same as using an outside caliper. Careful and gentle adjustment is made until the tips lightly brush the inner surfaces. The caliper is then removed and taken to your engineer's steel rule. But now we'll need a reference edge to work against. We must now find a suitable flat surface and place it against the flat end of our rule. Now we have a reference edge for the one caliper tip at 0 millimeters. We then read the rule where a scale line is against the edge of the opposite caliper tip. Measuring inside a cylinder or round hole needs a little more skill. Adjusting the caliper tips to get an accurate diameter reading involves tilting the caliper back and forth slightly, as demonstrated, whilst we make very fine or small adjustments. We call this action moving through center. When we feel the caliper tips just brushing the inside surface as you move through the center position, then we stop adjusting and carefully remove the caliper in the manner shown. The diameter reading is made, as we did earlier, against a flat reference edge with your rule. Using measuring instruments is a skill that will improve as you practice. Always take several measurements at the same place and check each time you've measured something that you always get the exact same reading. When you can do that, then you can say that you are measuring accurately. After the break, we'll finish the program with a few tips.